Hello, good everyone. This is your professor, Lemuel E. Mascatayo. For our discussions are all about verbal and mathematical phrase. Furthermore, first we have our objectives. In this lesson, challenge yourself to attain the learning outcomes. Translate verbal phrases into mathematical expression and vice versa. But before we start to our proper discussion, let's have our pre-activity. In the direction, answer the given items below and place it on the appropriate shapes that will match to the operation. So you must choose from the given items. Of course, you may type your answers on the comment section. There is no wrong answer for this. In addition, we have added to, more than, increased. How about subtraction? You may type your answer in the comment section below. There's a wrong answer for this. Of course, it can be increased by, less than, and difference. How about multiplication? You may type your answer in the comment section. There's no wrong answer for this. Of course, multiply, product, and the last one here is times. How about division? You may type your answer in the comment section. There's no wrong answer for this. Of course, quotient and divided by. Since we're done to our pre-activity, we are going to proceed our proper discussion. In translating verbal phrases in algebraic mathematical expressions, it is important to know the words that are used to indicate mathematical operations. Some of these words are known in the charts as follows. So when we say addition, the hints are plus, more than, increased by, the sum of, the total of, and added to. In subtraction, the hints are minus, less than, less, diminished by, decreased by, the difference of, subtracted from. When we say multiplication, times, multiply by, the product of. When we say division, it can be divided by the ratio of, the quotient of. When we say powers, the square of, the square, the cube of cube. And the last one here is equals. Equals is the same as is. So this is very important to know because this will be your hint to understand the concept of verbal and mathematical phrase. So you must have to be familiarized or memorize this. So we have here our examples. 10 more than the number. If we translate it into a mathematical phrase, it could read as 10 plus x. Number 2 example, 5 times last year's income. Of course, 5x. The number of books decreased by 20. When we say decrease, it could be minus. So if we translate it to mathematical phrase, it can read as x minus 20. Number 4, the sum of a number and 5 can read as x plus 5. And the last one here is the difference between a number and 4 can read as x minus 4. A mathematical phrase is a verbal phrase that contains words and or numbers that can be translated into a mathematical expression, where a mathematical expression is an expression containing numbers and or variables and operation on those numbers and variables. Here's our another examples. Could be verbal phrase to a mathematical expression. In a verbal phrase, a number plus 3. It can read as, in a mathematical expression, x plus 3. A verbal phrase, example number 2, is the difference of a number and 8. It can read as, the mathematical expression, as x minus 8. The product of 14 and a number, 14x. The quotient of a number and 7, x over 7. The square of a number squared, x raised to 2. And the last one here is 7 less than a number equals 10. Can read as into a mathematical expression, x minus 7 is equals to 10. Here's also our examples. Mathematical expression and the verbal phrase. 6n, the product of 6 and the number. 4x minus 12, if we translate it into verbal phrase, it can read as 12 less than the product of 4 and x. 3 quantity of x plus 2 can read as into a verbal phrase, add 3 to any number and then multiply by 2. X minus 5, x decreased by 5. 5 plus x is equals to 7. 5 greater than x is 7. So this will be your practice exercise. There's only 10 items. A. Translate the following phrases or sentence into mathematical expression or equation. And B. Translate the following mathematical phrases into verbal phrase. And for the evaluation, to answer this, translate each verbal phrase to mathematical phrase. Match your answer from the choices on the right and write the corresponding letter on the left before the number. Then decode the message below. Here. For the processing question, based on the activity, what word is formed? So this will be my references. For your answers, I will post G Drive in the comment section below. So this is very helpful to know if you're going to understand my topic. And that's it for today's. Thank you and God bless you all. I hope that you have learned something from me.